Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from the marketing team at Be Good. This is a hint. So I am doing an unboxing, unbagging video, whatever you want to call it, for our chicken Caesar salad meal kit. So if you haven't heard already, we launched meal kits available through our app or online for delivery or pickup in select locations. Each kit has 4 portions. So I personally think there's something really kind of comforting about a Caesar salad. The flavors are really familiar. So I will walk through what comes in the kit, how to make it, super easy, and then we'll do my favorite thing, which is eat. All right, so you already know the kit comes with a lemon. It also comes with our lemon Caesar vinaigrette. It comes with cooked grilled chicken breasts, shaved Parmesan, and croutons, and romaine. And then you just need a few things from your kitchen. You need tongs, a chef's knife, cutting board, and a bowl to put the salad in. If your kit doesn't come with instructions, don't worry. I will show you how to get to them. Go to begood.com/news and then click on the meal kits, and all the instructions are there for you. All right, so I've got my instructions here pulled up on my computer. Super easy. Basically, you just cut the chicken breasts into small pieces, and then you just combine everything together and toss with the dressing.